All right. Find a comfortable position, sitting or laying down, where your spine is straight but relaxed. Close your eyes or just soften your gaze if you prefer, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale completely through your mouth. Feel the tension leave your body with each exhale. Now, bring your awareness to your natural breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Observe the rhythm of your breath without trying to control it. Imagine a soft white light gathering at the crown of your head, the very top of your skull. This light represents your crown chakra, your center of connection to the divine source. As you inhale, feel that white light growing brighter and warmer. Imagine it beginning to infuse your entire being with a sense of peace and clarity. With each exhale, I want you to release any thoughts or worries that may come up. Let them go like clouds drifting away in a clear blue sky. Now, because as it naturally should be, we're all on slightly different levels of connection, I want you to silently set an intention for your meditation. You may wish for a deeper connection with your higher self, guidance, or just a peace and unity. Whatever it is that you're working on, whatever the next stage in your personal development is, I want you to set that as an intention. Now, let yourself relax more and more every breath and every heartbeat. The more relaxed you become, the brighter that soft light becomes. Imagine that light becoming a luminous thread, extending upwards from your crown chakra, stretching out toward the heavens, out into the cosmos, on and on and on. This thread symbolizes your connection to Source, to cosmic energy. See yourself bathed in the soft white light, and let yourself feel a sense of belonging and unconditional love. Every breath, every heartbeat. That light getting brighter and brighter, extending further and further. Let your mind feel that peace fills your being, that you're open to guidance and to love Just breathe. Now, listen to yourself, to that higher self, to that connection, and just take a few moments, clear your mind, and listen. Imagine yourself standing at the base of a mountain. The mountain represents your own being, and the peak symbolizes your crown chakra. Visualize a clear pathway up that mountain. Allow yourself to slowly ascend to the peak. Feel the cool mountain air on your skin, the solid ground beneath your feet. With every step, feel yourself becoming lighter, more connected to your breath, more open to receiving understanding. As you reach the peak, imagine yourself bathed in a soft violet light. Take a moment to look around from the top of your mountain. Notice what you see, what you feel. Can you feel a sense of vastness or a connection to something larger than yourself? Remember that thread connecting you to source energy. Visualize that still getting brighter and brighter. Breathe deep. Fully exhale any last bit of stress or worry. Let yourself become completely relaxed. Now, I want you to gently begin to bring awareness back to your body. Feel the weight of your body against the ground. You can move your fingers and toes, slowly reconnecting with your physical form. Take a few deep breaths. Thanking your higher self, divine source, whatever it is you feel connected with love and its guidance. And when you feel ready, open your eyes slowly, but carry the sense of peace and connection with you. Exhale. And relax.